All right, so got the mushroom compost in here. I wanted to do a test batch last night to see if it would spread. Long story short, no, it is not going to spread at the proper rate for application. So this kind of led to what I hope is a revelation, and maybe you can see here. I was wondering how I could dump this thing easily into the field. It's pretty heavy, and it doesn't go all the way back, it doesn't tip all the way down. You can see it's on the ground right now. I took off the top link without having to muscle it at all. It just sits there, like at this angle. So I went to Harbor Freight and bought this 2-ton winch. And I am hoping that if I raise the lift arms all the way up and lower the load all the way out, that we will be able to turn this into a truck. But a dump truck, a dump cone. That's kind of the goal now. I think this is going to work a lot better, because this cone actually holds quite a bit of volume. I was very surprised. I guess we could have done the math. I haven't measured it. I haven't looked at any of the specs, like what's the actual volume you can hold, and like compare that to the truck bed. But it's really not that bad. So I want to see how it works. So it worked pretty well driving out here. It doesn't seem like unstable at all. Now what I'm going to do is try to lower it and see how it works, kind of tipping it. I'm out here in our first bed where I've kind of been doing some tests just for different kind of things. This was when we were spreading it. Now I'm going to try to dump it, see if it can turn this thing into a dump trailer. Maybe I'm a genius. I don't know. That's probably about as maximum. I'm kind of worried about the clearance there because it's all the way up. I don't know. I mean, there's not that much space, 6 inches or so. But I guess let's see if we can dump some of this. It's pretty tight. I guess I need to engage it. And I could lift it, I guess, a little bit there. But I'm not sure if it's going to dump like that. I think I need to have it almost all the way over. So pretty cool. It's kind of working so far, much better. At least I can do this a lot easier by myself. Don't have to drive the truck into the field. So what's going on here? I filled the truck up, and I think this could work if I have Ann working with me. Fill the truck up, 2 people, not too hard, and then I can ride the tractor and go at a pace and we have it set at the certain angle to dump, and Ann can scrape out as we go along the bed. That would be ideal. I know it's not perfect, but it's not that bad. By myself, I'm probably just gonna dump like 2 piles per bed. I think the cone holds about 1 bed or more of compost, depending on how, you know, thick I want it. But that's probably what I'm gonna do. It probably should be more like a half bed or a half load per bed. Just kind of looking at the pile. I don't know though. I mean, we have to do 100 beds, so 100 cones, 50 cones. It's gonna be a lot of work, but we're figuring it out and it's not that bad. So I'm gonna load this up after I do the chickens and then we'll test it out again.